Google Business Profile Tips Part number 3. Hi everyone! Coach Kherk is here. Tips to strengthen your Google Business Profile. Choose the proper business category. You must select the appropriate categories when setting this up. It is one of the most critical factors that will make you appear in relevant search results in the local pack and Google Map searches. Verify your location. Verified locations help improve your score for the distant ranking factor. Verify your address or ownership of the business through Google Business Profile verification process. You must verify your business location to take advantage of all Google Business Profile features. Then, you need to add products and services. Filling up this segment adds content to your Google My Business listing and can help you rank in relevant searches. The complete description and price of the product and services will appear when the user clicks on a product. And add your social media profiles. Adding your social media channels will help you build more individuals for your business. It can also help boost your content performance because social platforms are important places to share any content your company produce. Remember to spend time on social media platforms and create content that complement or advertises your product, giving customers more opportunity to find you through organic search. Well, that's all we have for today, and stay tuned for more Google Business Profile tips. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to learn more, go to Kherk Roldan SEO. See you there.